Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence Spicy Couple Challenge, Spin the Wheel with Armon and Reginae and Jazz and Crystal. Okay, let's get into it.
Barking contest!
Oh my God!
Queen, eat his ass up! His little ass bark, bro.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clarence.
It's your girl Queen.
It's your girl Jazzy Fizzle.
It's your girl Crystal.
It's your girl Reginae.
It's your boy our swiggity biggity biggity
And we are
committee.
And we are back with another video.
Back with another video, man. As y'all already know from the title, we're doing a spin the wheel challenge. You know
This is gonna be crazy.
We done wrote some crazy things on this spin the wheel, and we about to spin and see what we get.
Oh wait, first of all, can we just say, make sure you guys subscribe to everybody's channel. Make sure you guys hit the notification.
Including Patty Reaction, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
On our channel and subscribe if you haven't. And also,
Make sure you smash that like button.
yeah, smash the like button and comment. Okay, so how is this gonna go, babe? Like, are we gonna go as couples or just individuals? I think it's a couple thing. It's definitely a couple. This is couples spin the wheel challenge. So we all need to play rock paper scissors real quick.
God, you can play for me.
Out there for you. Ready?
So I guess we go first then.
Okay, ready? Is it rock paper scissors shoot?
Yeah.
Or rock paper scissors
Yes,
say
it is.
shoot?
It's always shoot.
No, it's if you
No, it's shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And shoot.
Yeah, no, it's
Not
not.
and
He from New York.
Yeah.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yep, that's one. Best out of 3. We gotta win one more.
All right, no, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so you
go
win.
first.
Me. Y'all go first. All right, y'all get the spin.
Okay.
All right, y'all ready?
Please be nice.
What it say?
Spin the damn again.
No, it's not. Oh, spin it again. Hey, don't. You still gotta do
Spin
stuff.
again, spin again.
Oh my God!
Oh, yeah. This is suck your partner's big toe.
Oh my gosh, she finna suck
Suck your
me.
partner's
Oh, you gotta suck my big toe.
one.
Yeah, I know.
Finna suck the big one.
Take the
Oh,
socks
big
off,
toe.
Twin. Take the socks
That
off,
can't
Twin.
Just use it.
Show the feet.
No,
Ooh.
you
Show
gotta
the
suck
feet.
Armon, you could have did hers. Why you not being a gentleman about this? You should have sucked her toe versus her sucking yours. You ain't right.
Oh shit!
Go ahead and get in there.
Show the toe.
Yeah, that's a toe. Yep. Go ahead.
And then you keep putting it on the floor. Don't do it.
Babe, you gotta, what she gotta do? She gotta
She gotta
suck my
suck your
toe
toe.
or what?
Suck it, not
What
lick it.
does it say? Lick or suck?
Suck. It says
No,
suck.
no, no.
Suck it.
Bro, this is nasty, bro.
Caress it.
Go
You
ahead.
ain't suck my toe or what?
You don't want the
Bruh.
shit
No,
sock
suck
off
your
you
toe.
screaming.
Or what?
Bring that toe
That's
up.
nasty, bro.
I ain't got no or what. Y'all rude. Y'all should have an option B out of it.
Babe, you about to suck my toe.
Man, y'all can't even welcome her to the group without this.
Go ahead, do it. No, go ahead.
Why don't you sit down or something? You making it hard.
You don't want your sock off you screaming.
Bro, I can't have her suck my toe, bro.
No, you gotta do it right
This
there.
is
Okay,
not-
just
oh,
lick
I'll
it.
suck her toe.
I'll lick it. Lick it.
I'll suck your toe.
Okay, let me suck your toe.
No, no.
I'll suck your toe.
Okay, suck her toe.
All right, Armon. Thank you. I knew he was a gentleman.
I fix it.
Look,
That was
look,
alright.
look,
That was
look.
Okay, I don't wear
She
socks.
excited.
Okay, it's okay. But it's more. Come on now, she can't suck my
That says a
toe.
lot.
Bro. That's wild.
That's
Oh, no, not
You get what I'm saying,
her.
bro? You can't suck my
respect that.
toe, bro.
I respect it. I respect
Go
it.
ahead.
Oh
Ready?
my God.
Just taking
bro.
the bullet.
Go
Take the
ahead.
bullet.
I'll take that, Twin. Suck it.
That's your woman. That's what you're supposed to do.
Go ahead,
I
Armon.
want you to suck
Suck
it.
it.
No good.
Suck it.
Suck it.
Get freaky then. Get freaky then. Get freaky then.
At least your feet don't say face, man.
Get freaky
A
then.
little spice.
What it say? What it say? What it say? What it say? Spin a damn game.
Watch you gonna get touched the toe.
Say. Oh, you got good.
God is a lucky person.
God is great. God is good.
What is this, baby?
Amen, Jazz.
Oh, that's that shit from that toe. Better stop sucking on the toes.
Is that
God,
Bro, this shit just came flying on my mouth, man.
it's probably a little gas.
Oh, I'm definitely
She said it's dead skin.
Bro, say it. Okay, it's your turn.
Who's spinning? Me or you?
No. The guys are spinning.
Okay.
No, your turn. Let's go.
Are y'all ready? I'm a little scared, man.
I'm scared too. You crazy?
I ain't gonna lie. Truth or dare? I had to spin good too.
What?
Oh,
Fuck your partner, big toe. Fuck your partner, big toe. Take the bitch.
That's crazy. How many times do they have it on the wheel? Did they just hit the same thing? That's crazy.
So, I'm a sucker. Okay, yeah.
I'm a sucker.
Let's go. I'm recording, but you got it. I'm good. That's close to person. Real niggas do real things. Come on, C-Money. Come on, man. Yeah, real niggas do real things.
It's a real team.
Real team.
See, that's love right there.
Let's get it over with. Let's get it over with.
Let's get it.
Salty.
I know they was a little salty. Hey, I was surprised.
Why is Queen not okay? She's so funny.
Hers was
I got a salty
salty.
toe. Oh wait, I would have sucked your toe, baby.
Okay, so it's my go now.
I don't even want my toes sucked.
Go.
Babe, I would have sucked your toe.
I don't want my toes sucked.
Babe, let me suck your toe.
Yo, chill out, bro.
Babe, let me suck your toe.
Nah, I'm good.
Let me suck your toe.
Why she harassing him? You should have let Queen do it in her first place. You should have asked her instead of just assuming that she wanted that.
All right, it's the guy's turn now, so let's get it.
Do it.
Oh, bargain contest.
Bar
don't
contest
work.
with your partner.
The fuck? I'll get on that. All right.
He said, "Rrr." What kind of dog is that?
Dogs, ugly mouth bag. Chihuahua dog mouth bag.
You actually look like a shit.
Yo,
You got Kenny Corso with your long face ass.
This nigga hilarious, bro.
It's our turn to spin that thing and spin it to win it.
oh my god.
Let's get
We
the close up on this.
What we get, babe?
Do you still?
Ooh, true.
Do you still what about
What is that? Still what about?
Oh shit, I forgot that word. Do you still think about your ex?
Nah.
And I
Look, nah, come here.
No, it's true.
I'm good.
So y'all
It's
know?
true.
I
No,
know.
it's very much true for me.
I know, 'cause y'all got
I
to
can't
tell
speak
that.
for others.
I can speak for me.
Okay. And that's
Let us know, sis.
Period. You put a high on that.
Let's go.
So, like, I can say it.
Who next? Clarence next. Let's get it.
Come on.
Come on, man. Don't be
I got you,
scared.
babe. I got you, Hank.
That's my turn, so I'm gonna
All right,
record y'all.
here.
Come on, that's it right there. That's it.
Safe. No,
What is
sorry.
that?
Barking contest.
Barking contest.
Oh my
Look at
god.
They keep getting
I got Queen all day. Queen all day.
everything like y'all, bro.
Let's work.
Queen eat his ass up. Oh, Queen done ate you up, bro.
His little ass bark, bro. He's like,
Pretty much Paquito.
no,
Bro, what?
bark, bro.
Nah.
You bark. Okay.
That was a little shaky, bro. Hold on. All right, come on, man. Let's do one more round, bro.
Don't be messing up your voice, Armon, trying to bark.
Bro,
But that's so
Yeah, bro.
why do we get everything? We get the same thing.
The same thing, bro.
Okay, I like spin again.
Spin again.
Y'all spin it, spin it, man. You ain't spinning it.
I just spin it real good.
I'll give you 2.
Alright.
Who got the 2, Ski?
This is not really.
Who is it, your mom?
Who?
This my homegirl Justice. She from New Orleans.
Be
She gonna be
serious.
like,
You gotta be serious though.
okay. What if she don't answer? Oh my gosh. Alright. Justice, can you please just send me $2? Like, bro, please just send me $2. Like, these people is really tripping. Like, can you please send me $2? Like, I can't even talk right now. Can you just please send me $2? Yeah. Alright, thank you. Oh my God.
Wow. Shout out to Justice. And also, Reginae need a movie. Y'all need to go ahead and book her. Get this hooked up. She got the acting skills too.
It sounded like she was asleep.
She's a real one, man. It sounded like she was, you know what I'm saying?
She's straight with it.
Oh, wait, Reginae, you're an actress. You're a whole actress.
You're
That's
an
crazy.
actress.
She is. She's really good. And see, that's a real friend. You could just be like, don't ask me why, you know, and be like, oh, ain't you got money? You got more money than I do. You know, she ain't getting none of that. She a real one.
You're great. Let me call HBO.
And her friends really like her.
Yeah, tell her she can save the 2. Tell her to save the 2. Tell her to save the 2. She about to send that too.
No. I just need you to really just send me $2 right now.
Do it again.
Do it again, twin. Do it. Please send me $2 right now.
Please send me $2
They're making me so goddamn angry. Please. Take me $2.
It was never really nailing it for me.
Right. Really went off, though.
He's stupid.
Really went crazy. All right, my turn. Let's go.
Oh, shit. Oh, they rolled twice.
Y'all roll twice, y'all cheat.
Yeah,
We gonna give it to y'all. Give it to him. They did it. He already spent it. He a man about his word.
Oh, now you got
Roll that again. Roll it again.
Re-roll it.
They finna give me something
Give him
real
a
nice.
smiggity.
It's gonna say safe.
See?
I told you, I never say
So
what
you
I
know what I'm
don't
about to
mean.
get.
I mean what I say.
Man, shut up.
No, you spent last time.
You know what
No,
we about
I
to get.
didn't. You did.
Move shot down.
Why she trying to thump him in the head?
Safe is
Oh, no, hold on, wait.
I ain't even gonna do it like that.
That's janky.
I'm a real spinner.
I'm a real spinner.
We already did that.
Oh, I told you. It's gonna start landing on them 2 shit.
That's
Be
because
talking good, man.
Again.
Move.
Bro, you're not spinning
my
right.
turn.
You're not really spinning that
Wait.
shit, Jazz. You're not
Bro,
Hold on, Jazz.
I'm spinning for Jazz, bro. There you go.
There you go.
Got her one.
There you go.
Got her one.
Yes.
Is it true your partner breath ever stunk, but you didn't say that? No, I'm not telling when that breath stank.
I respect that.
Jazz.
Queen, my breath was stinking one time, and Queen didn't tell me.
I didn't. Jazz should be kicking too. I'll be letting her know, so.
But it be that weed.
Yeah,
I be like, man, your shit smell like ass.
Bruh.
She be all
Come on.
do not let her lie to y'all.
Yo, we gonna-
Yo.
No, it's our turn.
One thing I
You lied to
Stop playing with
So this going double, we going back to
Yeah.
back.
Baby, my breath ain't never stuck to it.
No.
What is that?
Is it true? Y'all keep getting true.
Is it true that you faked an orgasm with each other? No.
No, I ain't never faked the orgasm with her.
Ooh, y'all really be up in there.
Real bad life stories,
That
huh?
shit real.
It's
They be up in there, Reginae.
It's real every time.
Y'all go first?
Yeah, you can go first.
Let's see what broke it.
Safe probably. Y'all got
Hopefully
safe.
you get safe, but you're not getting that. Take 2 shots.
Embark.
Let's get it.
Embark that.
Take 2 shots and bark, honey bun.
Shot. Everybody, shot. And we need to hear that bark. And we need to hear that bark.
Take a
Hey, we
shot
need that
for
bark.
We need
me.
to hear that bark too.
Why did y'all
Hey, Queen.
add a bark at the end, man?
Because you gotta do a deep bark too, like a woo, like a beagle. Like
2 shots. Come on, you got another one.
Okay, babe, that's too much.
Oh no, you ready to get? No, he ready. He finna get crazy. He finna go rock.
Come on, you got bark.
Pitbull.
No, man, hell no, man.
Sir, even in your own house, no.
Give us a problem for the bark,
You
man.
gotta give us you gotta give us a real bark, honey bun.
Bro, it's really hard to bark after taking a shot.
Bark.
Armon,
Give us a grill, bro. Don't just try to bark.
Go ahead, give him a bark. Wow. Bro,
I go around and pick.
No, that's a growl.
Queenish.
Honestly, this is stupid ass person, bro.
Let me go contest, bro. Even if I don't spit it at the end, I'm gonna give y'all a bar contest with this weak ass nigga.
Bro, why am
I want to see it.
It's my turn?
It's Queen's turn. Queen.
Oh my God.
Okay, here,
bro.
you give me honey bun. Look at you, little thirsty.
Why am I drinking at 1:30?
In the mornings, like it's 7.
And we gotta wait for kids up to school.
Oh my God.
Oh.
1, 2, ready to go. Let's see.
What is it?
Ooh.
Oh shoot.
Would you date besides your
Partner.
Let me stand by you real quick.
Let me get over from over here. Come on, guys. Let me get it. Mine said, girl, move out the way. He said it's about to get real.
Foot against the wall.
The truth? What celebrity would I date? Besides my partner? None. I know that's right.
Great answer. You are the one. Thank you. We appreciate you.
Yes. Lovely
Thank
answer.
you.
Yes.
Great answer.
Anything else?
I would not date none of y'all Negroes.
None of y'all niggas, man.
None of yes.
Armon and Naija.
Me? Okay.
Shit.
Rock the boat, motherfucker. I thought it was
Great.
What?
Go live. Go live on Instagram right now and do the Soulja Boy dance.
Yes, sir.
Y'all gotta hype me, though.
Y'all got the right one. He gonna do it.
Right there, Robbie.
Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja
Go
Boy.
ahead and set it right here.
Come on, Slim. And I mean, you better crank it, nigga. They gotta see the whole thing.
Put it right there.
Oh, come on. You better crank it, twin.
He about to go live, y'all. We live. We too live.
Turn that brother. You gotta stop. Come on, man. Let me get loud.
Bro, what was the penalty for not doing it?
Let's go.
Penalty for not doing it.
Y'all ready to go?
Oh, yeah, his back blurry.
I gotta start over.
He gotta edit it like that.
Yeah.
You gotta fix it.
Y'all ready?
Better crank that motherfucker.
I'm about to crank that motherfucking Soulja Boy. Turn it up. Crank that Soulja Boy. All right, y'all gotta do it with me now. Come on.
Bro, I done took a shot.
Hey, nah.
Go, Reginae. Go, Jazz.
Do it. Clarence, say do it. Clarence, say
Go, Armon.
do it.
I
Do the
didn't spit on
dance,
that.
bro.
I didn't spit on that.
Do the dance, bro.
I didn't spit on
Do
that,
the
bro.
dance.
I'm not like-
Come on, Jay. Yo, let's go. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Haters getting mad.
Because
I got me some things.
let's go.
Niggas went that ass
Now
wet.
I see. Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy. Crank that Soulja Boy.
It's my turn with your lemon pepper in.
All right,
Who's the rip chin?
all right, yeah.
Back to
we
the
gotta
schedule
go.
program.
My turn.
Bro, they gonna be like, what the fuck was that?
Man, what?
Switch clothes.
Switch clothes. Switch clothes.
Wait, no, babe.
I'm doing the penalty, bro. I'm not getting in that shit, bro. I am doing the penalty. Two shots. I'll take 3 or 4. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Why would they give Jazz that shit?
I'm not doing it, bro.
Chris was wearing, I'm like, tiny ass up in this.
I'm not wearing that shit.
You gotta get yourself
That shit look like monkey.
Why is he trying to dish your dress up? Itch, nigga.
Leave your pants on. Leave your pants on. Do it.
I can't
Just put
wear
the
it.
top on. Put the top on.
No, y'all not gonna have my man's get
Nah. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend.
That's all.
I wouldn't recommend.
Bruh, Jazz, just take.
I'm taking a shot, twin.
That's what I said.
Like 4 shots.
It's like 2 shots. It's gotta be like 2 shots.
2 shots.
I'm taking 2.
She the passenger.
I'm taking 2. Y'all see how they trying to fuck me up, bro? I ain't even did nothing but be here.
Oh my God, boy, I can't breathe, bro.
Where the fucking shot? Cause Armon over here squeezing that shit, he wasn't doing it. The fuck we talking about?
Niggas is gonna be.
Nigga, I ain't doing it, twin.
Bro,
These people are gonna be too drunk.
why would they
Too
say you
drunk.
got one out of everybody?
It ain't 2017 no more.
You feel me?
I feel that, Jazz. Remember?
Niggas is not doing that shit, nigga.
Doing that shit no more, yeah, bro. I'm a fucking, you feel me? See this on my neck? What the fuck we talking about?
No, she in her bag. She in her bag. Hold on, let my nigga get her bag. No, let my nigga talk her shit, Kristen.
Do that.
Let my nigga get her.
You feel me? Let me take this second shot because they think I'm a hoe or something. You feel me? And I'm talking spicy because I'm off that done.
Yeah.
Oh, Jazz. Jazz is lit.
Bro, I'm lit too.
Jazz going to fight. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna make her do nothing like that.
Like I've been.
This was like, I don't know how this video gonna go. Come on. This is yours because, because Jazz
I
just
think
went.
Chris will go. Right?
Oh, why you didn't let me go after you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so you go.
Wait.
No, go ahead.
Suck your partner big
Well,
time.
we say that. No, we did that already.
That's it.
I never do it. We ain't do it.
No, she got to suck yours.
We
did it.
Oh, y'all did it.
Yeah,
No way.
we
You
got
know what?
Y'all
I'ma
didn't got
suck
it.
your
Suck
toe.
the big toe.
I'm gonna suck your color.
Suck the big
You know
toe.
my toe is done, so don't even try to play it like they ain't done. Cause I
Okay,
think
that's
it's done
fine.
right
Can you
now.
suck my toe? Hey, if I land on this, we gotta suck the other partner's toe now. We got all the.
You think you should suck my toe?
I think you should suck her toe.
What were we suck each other's toes?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not putting that on.
Oh, both of y'all feet is done.
Ew.
Go ahead and suck that toe, Jazz.
Bro, my shit cool, twin.
My Jazz feet look like
This
they
Jazz
hurt,
feet,
bro.
that's Crystal feet. Who should do the toe sucking here? Her feet
Ugh.
or her feet?
Stop doing your feet like that. She talking about, what are you doing? She tripping over here, bro.
You see how
Do it. I want to do your feet, do your feet.
No, she's smushing them. No, get Jay. Oh, it's crusty right there. No, man. Jay got a real nigga.
Bro, my
She ain't do it because you was
No, she didn't do
You
it.
gotta really submerge.
Because I said it was.
You gotta submerge the lips.
And it's not crispy.
Oh my God.
damn,
It was so hot. Oh my God. Zoom in on that. That is nasty, bro. What the fuck is that, bro? Nah. Yo, I didn't do all.
They really on one. Armon ran off.
Oh, not the slide.
Bro, she was trembling. I see you trembling. It was like,
Yo, Jazz almost blew up on your foot, bro.
Bro, I'm
Yo,
not.
shut up. Yo, you want to go or you want to just go after?
I don't really sucking toes, you know this.
How long we got? Let's see.
Shit crazy.
What, like 2 more rounds, maybe? 2 more?
Yeah, we need to go.
Bro, oh my God, I am
I
going,
just.
bro. Oh.
I'll do it again. Already got that.
Let's do it. Land on another one.
Sucking toes all night.
Everybody's sucking. Yeah, we might as well call this a toe sucking video.
I'm not doing that.
You got you.
What is that?
Take the penalty, help.
Babe,
What
no,
did it say?
No
babe.
penalty. I did
What did it say?
That's not a damn penalty.
got
No,
That is a penalty.
No, that's not a penalty.
That's a penalty, ladies.
I'm not doing this so
bro, you have to do the soldier boy for live, bro.
I might be drunk tomorrow. Fuck it.
You drunk today.
Oh my God. You gonna show up.
I'm telling you, you know he is. You need to take his ass off.
Hey, that boy is finna be fucked up.
Man do not want to do the Soulja Boy on live. He'd rather drink.
He said, fuck this.
Like, y'all gotta know something about Clarence. He is not a singer and he is not a dancer. He will not do either. Dang.
I would've got a line like.
I
Damn,
know you feel me right now too. The 2 shots.
You could have did it. You should have asked Queen if she wanted to do it.
I want to do it.
You know how you love, bro. I feel you.
Oh,
I took
God.
my
how we do it.
Yeah, I'm getting that bitch looking.
Do it, Armon.
Hell, bro.
Do it.
Like, how we do it, Queen? No, bro. You're not gonna make me look like a clown. Why they try to make me
That's
do
what you
that?
want me to look like, right? That's what you want me to look like, yo. I hate
Right, get the super soap. Get the super soap.
Nah, bro. I already took my 2 shots, bro.
Do this, bro.
No, I'm alright.
Man, I can tell you getting
I'm
drunk.
lit. Yeah,
You're sweating.
Bro, I'm hot.
Niggas been drinking all night. Okay, ready?
Spin it again before it stops.
Spin again.
The black thing. Oh.
Oh no, I'm not taking shots.
No, you got bark.
Clarence can do it.
No.
Nah.
No.
Oh my God.
I'm not doing it.
I'll spin it one more again.
Okay.
Just bump that.
Clarence fucked up.
Ass out of me.
Hell nah, bro.
Look at this, look.
Niggas been trying to get me drunk, bro.
Oh, we can spin the opposite way too. We never
Like
spin the
that.
opposite
Look,
way.
there we go.
Y'all gotta understand.
No,
Now,
bro.
there we go.
Niggas set me up for the
What?
lyric shit. I had to drink
yeah.
every time for the lyric joint.
Is it true your partner breath ever stunk, but you didn't say anything?
Yes, we already said that.
It's true. It was just a little tart, and I did not say nothing because
That's fucked up.
no, just a little tart. I didn't say nothing because I felt like
We was at dinner.
we was on the way to a dinner, and I didn't want to kill the mood. We were in
That's
like
crazy,
a deep
right?
conversation. I didn't want to stop the deep conversation, but like, babe, your breath stinks.
Also, he's one of them. Yeah, like.
You know, we were in a deep conversation. Why would I stop it and be like,
It was one of them like
Your breath
whispering talk, so you had to smell it. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel you.
but you know, like it wasn't, you know, like damn. It was like, damn.
You gotta eat.
Not
Y'all go
chill.
away, go eat. He was hungry.
Yeah.
Don't do my mans like that on national camera.
No, it's tart. I said tart, but it was only probably because you smoked. That's probably it. You know how smoking get.
You know how it's smoking.
Okay, it's your turn. You gotta do the last one.
Okay.
One more, y'all. One more. This is the last one.
Is it true that you replied to flirting DMs?
Oh, do you reply to flirting DMs?
No, I don't reply to them now.
Oh yeah.
But you used to.
Yeah.
But you stopped for
Real shit. Respect that.
Respect.
Aw, that's so cute. No.
Respect.
Oh, look at
Respect.
that.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
How cute.
We can end it.
Wait, no. Hold on, we gotta do just one more.
Okay.
Let's just do one more
Go
round.
again?
You spent like 30 times.
Go ahead.
I feel like you should spin it and stop it and like close your eyes.
Go ahead, baby.
Call the person and go ahead and do it, Jazz. Call the last person on the phone. Ask for $2, Jazz.
That's in jazz.
Wait, what
the
did I
last
say?
person in my
Perfect.
motherfucking phone. My fucking house doorbell.
No. Who's the next? No, not her either. No, not her either.
Armon.
Okay, Max ATO gas.
Oh, you gotta
Oh,
ask
sorry.
that nigga for $2. Who's that? You gotta ask him.
He got the plug.
You guys.
My Lily.
That's your plug.
You gonna answer?
He sleep.
No, don't.
Where's drug
The wrong. Oh, go to the one before that.
How you not up at 1:30? That's crazy.
I'm J Long Fo.
This is my cousin.
It's
This
not
might not be up.
Oh,
You know we BOH. You gotta join it. UNA.
but BOH.
BOH?
That's
Bad.
bullshit. Baddies of Houston. That's
Oh,
bullshit.
That's how
Don't
girl
join that.
gang. That's how
Don't
girl
join that
No.
shit.
You don't want to be part of FOE. Trust me.
No.
Family over everything?
BOH.
Yeah, Clare like that better. Like, I like that shit.
What? Family over everything? Baddies of Houston?
Bro, ain't no nigga answer for me. I can't
wait,
even
wait.
Yeah, look, you can't even depend on niggas.
Dang, you ain't got no love.
If you was down and you needed $2, he'll be up.
No, for real, you got, okay.
Why y'all do jazz like this. They like, nope, I ain't answering my phone.
Go to one more person.
Okay, let me see Flo. Let me see my nigga answer. He probably my nigga Flo out the club or something.
She hoping somebody answers.
Where you at, twin?
I'm on the way to the house.
Oh, okay, shit. Can you cash out me $2, twin? I'm fucked up.
Yeah, you want me to say you five?
Hell yeah, real nigga.
I'm about to have a bed, you know.
Alright, bet, twin. That's my nigga, though.
Nah, that's
He live with me. That's my dog, bro.
See, that's what you do. As if you need more.
Yeah, you're more than enough.
I need that energy. That's great energy.
Yeah, you're more than enough.
That's great energy. So if you need 2, I give you 3 extra. Go ahead and do your thing with that. You can just have that. I respect that.
My nigga, I have to tell my nigga like we doing the video. You know what I'm saying? My nigga type shit if you got a nigga fuck. What? It's my turn. I'm the last nigga.
You gotta stop it, then. Put your hand. What your eyes closed?
Go ahead.
Crystal, go ahead.
Huh?
I just roll with me and I did.
Post a kiss and pic on IG story. Go ahead. Kiss and make it juicy.
Yeah, post that kiss and pic.
Crazy, bro. I don't do that type of shit.
Man, post
I don't
that
do
kiss
this
and
type of shit.
She queen is singing, girl.
Go ahead. I gotta see you.
Yeah, go show this love on the Instagram.
Can somebody record
Catch
it?
this on
Here, I'll do
Instagram.
it. Yeah.
She queen. She
Well,
wanted
okay,
it. I'll
wait,
do it.
it's really a kiss and pic. So y'all do it for me. Yeah,
Yes,
do it for me.
ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let me get this stamp.
Oh, that's cute.
No, look at Jazz blushing. Look at Jazz blushing, bro.
All right, go ahead, Jess. Ready?
No.
Oh, that's cute.
Go peep that on the gram, y'all.
We can do that.
Yeah.
You're like, look at my edges. This is cute.
Who got the last spin? I think it should be Queen.
Last spin, queen.
Last spin is y'all challenge.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do
Last spin, y'all. Queen,
Last
do the
spin on the game.
it.
Oh, shit.
Do it now. And the last one, it don't matter what it is, I gotta do it.
Alright.
I'm gonna
Except
get
for
a
the
nap,
shots.
Mo.
One.
The way y'all got me drinking.
Is it true that you reply to 30
What is
DMs?
this?
That's not true. That's not true. I
Bro, why
answered
can't you
my
look at time? We get the same, like, what is this?
I don't know, bro. We got literally the same shit
The
right
same
after y'all
shit,
got it.
bro.
No, that's not true. I reply to my fans though. Sometimes my fans flirt with me.
So you flirt with your
No.
No,
fans.
I don't flirt with them. I don't flirt. I like
What they
this,
be saying?
babe.
They be saying they want to
Oh.
hit this.
I like this, babe.
They be like, they
No.
want to hit.
I'm talking about my like supporters of like, damn,
Do your
girl, you
girl?
sexy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm like,
Okay.
thanks, babe.
That's
Or
it.
thank you. Like, or put heart eyes, thank you. But yeah,
That's cool.
girls,
I respect that.
yeah, it's,
You gotta keep your supporters supporting.
No, let me clear the air. I'm not a cheater, so. All right. Because y'all will be on the channel. I ain't got time for it.
Alright, y'all. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to all these
On the game.
Beautiful
all the channels.
individuals.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all show them some love. And thank y'all for continuously supporting us. And we love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
And
y'all
see
next
y'all on Gang Talk.
Peace out. Oh, wait.
Is it good?
Oh, you know what would have been so cute if everybody standing in line, y'all pop out like, Jazz!
Do we really have to do that? Can we do the intro though first?
No, you can like, what's up? It's your boy Clarence. It's your girl Queen. Okay, let me stop. That's so corny.
This has really got to go on.
All right, go ahead.